Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to get Australian visa. So let's start the video. How you can get your Australian visa. How to apply for an Australian visa, step-by-step guidance to applying for Australian visa online and prepare for your nearest embassy and consult. In this video, we discuss about the application process of Australia can be difficult to negotiate throughout. In addition to the several types of visa, there are also different application options available depending on the situation and nationality. How to apply for an Australian visa? You can apply for an Australian visa in two different ways: online application, paper application. Since 2015, Australia stopped issuing visa label for passports, so now all of visas record are available in VO Visa Entitlement Verification Online Service. Nowadays, this is the online application is more feasible for your storing data and reviewing process is easier. However, some countries are not eligible for online application and those are cases are paper applications throughout an embassy has to be submitted. For each type of application, there are specific time of guideline and there are following when you have to want to apply for a visa. Australia visa online application steps. Here are the steps you need to apply for online Australian visa. First is create an online account. Second is select the visa type. Third is fill an Australian visa form. Fourth is attach the requirement documents. Fifth is pay the application fees and sixth is submitted this application. Create an online account. The first things that you need to do if you want to have to apply for an Australian in visa and open individual online account at the office website that you have to do stop and personal information, set up a password and confirm your account via email. The online services helps to manage your application, attach with the documents and follow the reviewing process of your visa. This is also an option that you opens the original account, that is the application migration agent, form of organizations and form a sponsoring company. Select the visa type. There are several Australian visa that you can be chosen from. These will be have to mostly vary from the region and your visa that can be applied for tourist visa and student visa, work visa, etc. Fill in Australian visa form. For each type of visa, there are different application forms. Once you have to select the visa type of continue can and with the filling of form, this is the inform that you have to want to put down your personal information, name, birth date, marriage status, etc. The reason why you have to want to go to Australia, how to long your plan staying is so on. If you have to applying with a family member, friends, every individual needs that you have to the separated application form. Attach the requirement documents. For this online application, this is the how to attach your documents. Select the option attach document. Select who are attaching your documents for. Select the reason why you have to attaching this document. Select the type of document, name the file and select attachment. Pay the application fees. The visa form of Australia change depending on the visa. However, you get to apply for your application fees and before you submitted your application, otherwise your application won't be processed. This online application allows to pay you throughout various means that you have to can apply for the either and credit card, debit card or PayPal. Submit the application. Once you have to completed the steps that you have to go ahead of your submitted your application in the ME accounts that you have the back of your content and Australian authorized. If sometimes is changed, for example, if your address has been changed, you can be get a Department of Foreign Affairs now throughout the account. You can track a visa applications process throughout this account. You will while this processing time varies and each application is different. Is if there are no issue, you may be have to receive the visa soon as within few days time. Australia visa paper application steps. Here are the steps that you need to take for an Australian visa paper application. First is find the nearest Australian embassy consult. Second is set up a meeting in Australian office. Third is verifying the required documents. Fourth is fill in the application form. Fifth is pay these application fees. And sixth is submitted the visa application. You can submit your paper application in the cases when you have to online application can't be happen. Find the nearest Australian embassy. Before you begin to the application process, find the nearest Australian embassy in your country to consular. Points paper application have to be submitted in the representative office and Australian government.